how to find or how to use don't offer to translate those language. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to use don't offer to translate those language on Google Chrome. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Google Chrome and click on those 3 points up there and click on settings. Scroll down and here click on language and click on advanced. And now they're gonna show up those options. Just click on the last, which is don't offer to translate those language, for example English. And if you know another language, just click on it and add language. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video don't forget to subscribe and like.